Hi, I'm back. Thank you for being here. It is a beautiful summer's day in England today, and I am off to the Peaks, otherwise known as the Yorkshire Dales, me and my trusty camper van Savannah, because I feel the need to immerse myself in nature. So let's go on a little adventure.
Much bigger, and this is sometimes referred to as developing the vision of the eagle.
Just been into Aldi and got a few bits for dinner. Realised I didn't get any water, which is probably one of the main things I actually needed. Yes, we will survive. I need to find somewhere to park up because I'm basically here and I don't know where I'm going yet. I found a potential, so let's go check it out. Does anyone else not like bananas but eat them anyway? I actually really don't like the taste of them, but I eat them because they're healthy. This seems like a lovely place for a spot of cacao and a walk in the woods. I ground down to the Great Mother, till I remember that we are not separate from one another. Wisdom received through roots, truth, intuitively moved through pieces which no longer align. It's time to surrender, let her decide. Call in the elements, let them know you're ready. Air in the east, from you we invite new fresh ideas, and then we ignite fire in the south. Burn bright your flame, transforming energies to not stay the same. Water in the west, your depth knows no bounds. Please hold us, support us, and then we will ground with earth in the north. You feel like home. May your strong-rooted presence forever be known. Spirit of cacao, Mama, we are open to you. We invite your wisdom to flow in the way that we move and all that we do. So, cacao, if you don't know much about what this is, it is the pure form of chocolate before anything is added or taken away. It comes from South America and it's used as a plant medicine, so it's completely natural. It's full of loads of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. So the active ingredient in cacao is theobromine, and this releases endorphins, and I believe it releases serotonin in the body, which is what is used in SSRIs as antidepressants. So when you drink cacao, it has a similar effect to caffeine. The blood will pump around the body, especially to the brain and the heart, and this creates a heart opening effect. So while things are happening physically, more blood is going to the heart. The spiritual effect, the way it's used as an indigenous plant medicine, means this heart opening can create like feelings of love. feelings of being connected to nature, to yourself. It allows for emotional release. It can assist with creativity. Non-tractor, not ideal. Really, I know so little about this medicine, and I'm just so grateful to have found her and be at the beginning of this journey. I know there's so much there for me to learn. If that tractor was horrendously loud, then I'm sorry. Anyway, let's carry on this walk and go hug some trees. I wasn't actually planning on this being my overnight spot. However, there are a couple of other vans here and it feels quite safe, so I think it could be a potential sleeping spot. I'm actually so pleased with this sleeping spot because there's another couple of vans around. It just feels safe, and if I wild camp and there's no other vans, I just don't really sleep that well. I think because I'm still quite new to it and just being a woman on my own, yeah, I think my nervous system is on alert throughout the night if I sleep in the middle of nowhere alone. So waking up in nature has to be one of the best ways to wake up. It's so nourishing, and somebody told me that the reason why we do feel so good if we sleep in nature is because there's no electricity around us, and that makes a lot of sense. I'm doing everything in my power right now to not sell this van, buy a bigger van with a toilet and a shower and live in it, just live my best gypsy life. My last van trip was around France for 5 weeks and I just loved it so much. So this is the first time I've actually been in my van since then. My sister asked me yesterday, do you ever get bored living in your own mind? Because in France it was 5 weeks on the road with I barely saw another soul or spoke to anyone. The answer is no, I don't get bored on my own. It's not like my mind is always the easiest place to live, but I genuinely love being on my own, love solitude to the point of it actually inhibiting, is that a word? Me in a way. So I'm working at the minute on actually integrating socializing and building a community because I've been a lone wolf for a long time, so it's time for a new chapter. Much as I would love to move into a van full time, there's work to be done, like in here, and creating something even better. So, well, that's me. I'm gonna get cozy and I'll see you in the morning. Hi and happy new day. I probably didn't have the best of sleeps. However, waking up in this is the very best way to start the day. I'm gonna go on a hike today. There's so much choice around here. It's so beautiful. Yeah, and that is the end of this video. If you watched it, thank you. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon.